Well, it's dinner time. I can tell you that before us, two wonderful meal, and yeah, my romaine lettuce and my two meals. Well, a combination. So I have my lettuce and I have my rhodiola. I'm gonna try that. Bitter and spicy, just slight. Some rice and peas. And we're digging in. So I've invited you to my dining area, but I am the one that's going to do the eating and you are going to watch. And I have some shrimp here, but specifically tiger palm or giant tiger palm. In the US, Mexico, it's an invasive species. So I'm gonna try my first one. Shell soft, I'm gonna eat it with the shell first. Juicy. Nice. Similar to the local shrimp I have back in the Caribbean. But soon these shrimp will be in the Caribbean because they are invasive. They are going to attack the local ones. Going for another? But it depends on how you want it. If you want to remove the shell, fine. I tell you, they are juicy, tender. Again, your shrimp must not be overcooked. So I'm having dinner, shrimp dinner, with my giant tiger palm, small amount of rice and peas, more like a small serving, romaine lettuce or rhodiola. Tastes good for real. That Creole sauce, you know, and that Jamaican meat season do the trick. Let's go for another. Some are coarser than others. The shell, that is. Now some of my subscribers or followers would want to see me purchase some more shrimp. Or I should say directly would want to see me try some more frog legs. And I remember my frog legs are farm raised, not wild caught, farm raised. Again, it each to each his own. Some person will eat what we eat, some won't. Some stomach are strong enough. Think mine is one of those. But this rhodiola with the jalapeno gives the little sauce there is A wonderful flavor. Back at the lettuce. And the shrimp, I tell you. Nice. And these, I'll tell you, they are tasting really good. Really good. So imagine I prepare these with a broth. That would be great. And then I have it spice up maybe with some hot chili oil. Or chili oil with peanut. I may call this gourmet dinner. Because these shrimp are quite expensive. £1. It's nearly 12 USD. But I tell you, they are tasty. Man. Shrimp are nice. They're really nice. Then it depends on you. You could get a pair of disposable food gloves. Those transparent ones you see people having, whether seafood broil or so, would put on to help protect their hands from And this is the end. Consume my tiger prawn or my giant tiger prawns. Still frying them. And I still get that nice little bitter spicy flavor of the radish in my mouth. Yeah, it's all finished. Thank you so much for watching. Having my gourmet dinner with these exotic vegetables and my tiger prawn.